About 9 months ago, we were approached by a model builder in Traralgon who worked out of the Traralgon men's shed. A couple of the aides came back to school. Some children had been working on a project in the woodwork part of the men's shed with this idea of making models, opening a children's modelling academy. And so I was very interested to find out a little bit more about that. And the person who set it up came up and saw me, and he brought some photos that we looked at on my computer, and I was quite amazed that you were able to get these cardboard cutouts and turn them into these beautiful 3D objects, things like lighthouses, boats, docks, part of the shipyard suite of models that were imported from Europe. It was very good to be able to have that discussion, because it sort of gave me a chance to find out a little bit more in depth about how we might set up something that would involve our children coming off the school site and working for a couple of hours a week with their hands on project. We were able to select 8 children, and what we used as the criteria were children that were good children that would have a go at their work, and we felt we were able to get some benefit and be able to sit down and actually concentrate, because the work is very concentrated. There's a lot of cutting, there's some pasting, there's painting, there's a whole range of things that need to be done. It was very important to me that the kids were going to get something out of it, and what I've seen in the last 9 months has just been amazing. We started off with 4 girls and 4 boys, some equal numbers of grade 5s and grade 6s, and our second group is the same, equal number of boys and girls, because it's very important that everybody is able to have a go who wants to have a go, regardless of gender. It's been amazing. I've had a lot of really positive feedback from parents, heaps and heaps of positive feedback from kids, and the teachers just report it seems to have this amazing effect on the kids. They've noticed that the children who are actually in the program, their ability to concentrate and persist on things has increased dramatically, so that's absolutely been tremendous. So it's a really huge benefit from that way. As a principal of a school, I'm always looking for opportunities to be able to develop our kids in different ways, but also get them out into the community and mixing with other people they might not necessarily mix with. So it's been terrific to see our kids involved in the men's shed generally, but certainly involved in the project as part of the Aberdonna company, who are able to come down and provide the stuff that the children need to be able to build the models. I decided that we would put some of the school's money in to purchase the models. The children have been supported by a couple of expert modellers who've been teaching them how to do these projects and been working very, very closely with the children. The parents also come down and have a look and see what their children are up to, and they're very, very impressed. Every time they speak about what their kids are doing, they can't believe that their children are able to sit down, able to work so hard to be able to produce some fantastic results. So overall, the program, from my point of view, has been a tremendous success, to the point where we're going to extend it again next year. We're going to have a group through the day, but we're also going to have a late afternoon group, which is going to be open to any kids that want to come down. And I'm going to provide a staff member to come down and support that program. I really believe that the kids can get a lot, any child can get a lot out of this, because it's one of those, the model building seems to be an art that seems to be a bit lost. It's all Xboxes and Game Boys and all of that sort of stuff. It's really fantastic to be able to see kids sit down, talk with one another, enjoy each other's company, have fun in a stress-free environment, and really produce some top quality work. Fantastic from my point of view, and I hope to continue this program for a lot long into the future as we go. Thank you.